Welcome back to the LCP Digital Learning Channel. I have a quick tip on how to find extra resources while you're lesson planning. Inside of Eduphoria, there's actually a really easy tool that while you're adding your teaks, you can also find extra resources that will back you up on those lessons. So let's jump right into it. All right, so here I am in Eduphoria Forethought. You can see right here on the right-hand side the teaks that I would be adding. When I click on this teak, if I'd like to find more resources that go along with this, I scroll right down here to the bottom side. You see it says search for more resources online. So apply mathematics to problem-solving arrays in everyday life. And then I come over here. When I press this button, it opens up a Google search for me with that teak already embedded. So that I can scroll through Google and see if I can find some resources to support me in my learning. All right, I hope that quick tip was helpful. Have a great day.
If you found this video helpful, make sure and hit that like button.
To make sure you get more videos like this, be sure to click right here to subscribe and to click the bell to make sure you get notifications.
If you'd like to submit a topic or concept for future videos, there's a link in the description down below.
And if you're looking for more digital learning tips and tricks, make sure to follow us on Twitter.